Hello, crypto community. I am Megan, aka Smart Trader. I hope you are all doing well and have had great week and always being profitable trader. We may all have wondered why the market was so volatile since the last week. Although there are many reasons, both fundamental and technical, but we must always remember this situation has been and will be the nature of any financial market, including crypto market. So don't worry. Anyway, without wasting any time, let's have a look at the previous analysis that I had for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we analyze them. As I mentioned before, for Bitcoin, Bitcoin was around here that I said it was likely to fall and it came down on this support zone, and then I considered two different scenarios, both upward and downward, and here I said if bull be able to support the price of Bitcoin, it can rise again, but if it loses this current support zone, it easily will fall again on this support area. It is currently on this strong support area. Of course, it doesn't mean that that Bitcoin must maintains about this strong support area, and or maybe continues start any rally from here, because at this situation I consider any return and increase of the price of Bitcoin below this high resistance zone as a pullback to higher key zone and levels, and then continue its downtrend and have first a fall. Also for Ethereum, I mentioned before in this analysis, it was around here that I said it can fall from here, start the downtrend, and when it was here, I posted this analysis, and considered two different scenarios, both upward and downward. And I said if it loses this important support zone, it will easily reach the lower support zone. And now we see that it actually has lost this important support zone. And today, I consider any rising and return of the price of Ethereum as a pullback to this resistance zone, or this ascending trend line as a dynamic resistance line, and then for so far continuing its downtrend in this case, and it can reach to this support, a major support zone around $2,000 as its lower support zone in this case. Today I'm gonna look at Bitcoin in different perspective in the CME future, and reason what I choose this chart because you can see obviously the gap of the Bitcoin in this market, and today we can see the Bitcoin has lost an important pivot zone between 38k to uh, 40k, which is a volume profile, important volume profile, and also it is trading under this Ichimoku cloud, and actually the situation of Bitcoin in this point of view is not really favorable, and it's a dangerous situation, and it is trading around this small volume gap around 33 to 34.4 thousand dollar can be trading. It can be here for a while, and then it can continue its downtrend on the bigger volume, on the bigger price gap around 24.6 to 26.5 thousand dollar as its lower target. But otherwise, if Bitcoin want to have any uptrend, any possible uptrend, it should be able at least to take over this important uh, pivot zone at least to continue its uptrend. But otherwise, it can fall more on the lower uh, key zone. Uh, and also, we can't judge about the future of the price of Bitcoin, and we should see if it be able to reach around here. Then we can see that it can fall more and even reach the lower support or not, or continue a, another rising from here. Also, I'm gonna look at the total market cap. We can see obviously here the situation is similar, very similar to the Bitcoin, and also the situation is not really favorable as as Bitcoin, and it is trading under this pivot area between 1.64. Also, it is trading under this Ichimoku plot, and it is already trading on this mini support on 1.42 to 1.48 trillion dollar. And if it loses this important support zone, it can fall, and in a really dangerous and scary scenario to the 1.15 to 1.23 trillion dollar, as this, as you can see right now. And then it can be accumulated here from a while and then continues uptrend from here or maybe here. But actually, we have lost more than 600 to 7 billion dollar since six weekly candle, which is show us that the exiting of the liquidity from the crypto market, and it can continue. It's shrinking and can be shrinked on the lower support in this case. So also I'm gonna look at the tether dominance, and you can see for the tether dominance it has jumped hugely in a significant movement above this important pivot zone between 4.5 and 4.6 percent that makes the crypto market turn red and bloody in this case. And today it is struggling with this ascending trend line as a dynamics resistance line, and if it be able to maintain this maintain set above this important line, and it can rise again, and at the same time the crypto market will have more crash in this case. But otherwise, if it not be able to maintain set above this line, it can fall on this pivot zone, and the situation of the crypto market became a little bit better. But if it loses this important pivot zone, it's really a really bullish, strong bullish sign for the crypto market, and the crypto market will turn uh, completely green in this case. So that's all for this analysis, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. Take it in mind, this analysis was my personal opinion, not a financial advice. And if you would like to support me, please smash the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friend. I will see you next time. Take care. Goodbye.